In a bustling city, there is a software development company called Tech Innovators. This company is known for delivering cutting-edge projects for clients across various industries. However, they are about to learn a hard lesson about the impact of poor problem definition. Let's get started. So, Tech Innovators scores a contract with a major financial institution to build a mobile banking app. And guess what? We've got a tight deadline of just 6 months. Rushed problem definition. Now, here's the thing. Project manager Sarah, in her haste, kind of rushes through the problem definition phase and doesn't fully grasp what our client actually needs. Scope creep and misaligned goals. So because of this inadequate problem definition, we end up with scope creep and goals that are totally out of sync, all because we didn't involve our stakeholders enough. Missed deadlines and budget overruns. And guess what happens next? The requirements keep changing, and the whole project becomes a big blur. It's like trying to hit a moving target. The poor development team is struggling to keep up and add all these new features. Client frustration and threatened relationship. So, what happens? The project falls way behind schedule and blows the budget. Naturally, the client is frustrated and starts doubting if we can deliver a quality final product. Our relationship with the client is on thin ice, my friend. Imagine trying to navigate through a fog without a clear sense of direction. Similarly, attempting to solve a problem with an unclear definition can lead to confusion, wasted efforts, and ineffective solutions. In this lesson, we will explore the various consequences that arise from unclear problem definitions and understand why it is crucial to establish precise problem statements. So, let's dive right into the consequences, shall we? Misaligned solutions. When the problem isn't clearly defined, solutions might address symptoms instead of the real issue. This leads to quick fixes that don't address the root cause. Wasted resources. Unclear problem definitions result in efforts being wasted on strategies that don't produce the desired outcomes. This means valuable resources like time, money, and manpower are thrown down the drain. Confusion and frustration. When things aren't clear, it's easy for team members, stakeholders, or anyone trying to solve the problem to get confused. This confusion can cause frustration and slow down progress. Inefficient decision-making. Without a clear problem definition, it's hard to make well-informed decisions. People struggle to figure out which solutions are best for the situation. Compounding issues. An unclear problem can lead to even more problems over time. If the real problem isn't addressed, things can get worse or new challenges can arise. Resistance to change. Solutions based on unclear problem definitions often face resistance. People may question whether the proposed changes are really necessary or relevant. Missed opportunities. Lack of clarity can cause people to miss out on potential opportunities for innovation and improvement that are hidden within the problem. Stalled progress. Unclear problem definitions halt progress. People struggle to take meaningful steps towards solving an issue that's still ambiguous. Unfocused efforts. Teams or individuals may scatter their efforts, trying different approaches without a clear direction. This leads to scattered and unfocused work. Lack of accountability. When the problem isn't clearly defined, it's hard to assign responsibility. It's unclear who is supposed to solve the problem and achieve the desired outcomes. All right, let's dive into why clear problem definitions are so important. Focused solutions. Clear problem definitions point us in the right direction, guiding us towards targeted solutions that tackle the specific issue at hand. Efficient resource utilization. By clearly defining our problems, we can make sure we're using our resources wisely, minimizing waste, and maximizing efficiency. Informed decision-making. Having a crystal clear problem definition gives us the power to make informed decisions that align with the context and goals of the problem. Collaboration and engagement. When everyone understands the challenge and its importance, clear problem definitions foster collaboration among all the folks involved. So, by recognizing the importance of problem definition and its impact on the problem-solving process, we can all work together towards more successful outcomes and put our efforts in the right place. Remember, establishing a clear and concise problem statement is key to avoid the pitfalls of unclear problem definition.